in this restaurant?
Well, both. Okay, so now tell us how you got in the restaurant business, and then especially the highly competitive but very delicious barbecue sector.
So I have a history of pitmasters in my family. More towards the charcuterie side, bacons, pâtés, terrines, things like that, sausages. And so for about 136 years back home in Ohio,
wow.
My family has carried on a business and is continuing to run this day. I grew up there through what I call a tour of duty. Every 13-year-old in my family was forced to start there.
There you go.
And work there until they found a better job. Needless to say, my uncle didn't give any good references. He wanted to keep the higher help.
Right.
It was a job that was under the table very much, but I learned a lot, and I learned that I didn't want to do that for the rest of my life. So I decided that I wanted to go to culinary school. Because I wanted to get away from the 80-hour weeks, and little did I know I would be right back there.
I was just gonna say, right?
Little did I know I was right back there. This restaurant, however, we started this as a partnership with me and one of my former mentors, and then Liam and a couple of our investors. We started this concept. We looked at the area and we said, what's not here? And looking at his background, he's from Texas. We took a little bit of Texas barbecue from there. My background, I have family in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. My mom lived in West Virginia for quite a while, so we stole a lot of those recipes, adapted them, built them up, and we came up with this concept model.
That's great. Well, now that we can't wait to try some of your stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Plate. It's going to have a half rack of baby back ribs, 8 ounces of our beautiful smoked brisket, and then your choice of the side. I chose mac and cheese for you guys today. One of our everything biscuits with honey butter with a little bit of smoked salt on top, and our house-made cowboy candy barbecue sauce.
Oh man!
Be a potato roll, seared on the flat top very lightly, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and then one of our hand-breaded chicken breasts. We do a north-south fries with some combination of everything. Our crinkle cut fries and our sweet potato fries as well. Toss in a little bit of our mama bird seasoning with some fresh parsley with a side of comeback sauce as well.
Wow, thank you.
Pleasure.
So here we are at Mama Bird, and it's not just about the bird, it's also about the brisket. So here is low and slow brisket that you can literally cut with your fork, and it's just juicy and just absolutely falling off, ready to be eaten. Oh my gosh, lovely, flavorful, moist, juicy, beautiful thing. Now that is a baby back rib to come across town for. Absolutely. Right? Perfect.
Potato bowl on the comeback sauce makes this a chicken sandwich to come back for.
Yum.